e4, then what? I'm not sure why you're asking me. I'm vehemently inebriated. That said, should you see them play c6, take the centre with d4. If they then play d5, this is known as the Caro Kann Defence. I suggest advancing with e5. What if they go here? Bishop f5, the advanced Caro Kann main line. I'd play the short variation. Knight f3, bishop e2, castle kingside. Though, should they move their bishop again to bishop g4, attacking our kingside knight, do cover it with the other knight, knight b to d2. It really is a sterling chap, that knight. Should they throw in bishop b4 check, block with c3, and then castle kingside? What if they go here? Yeah, c5, known as the Botvinnik Kann Defence. I wouldn't stand for that. Take it with d takes c5. Should they attack e5 with their knight, defend with our knight. Should they play e6, opening their bishop, I would play bishop e3 defending. And should they attack our kingside knight with bishop g4, defend with knight d2. It really is a sterling chap. But lastly, of course, should they bring their queen out early with queen a5 check, block with c3, for we must allow their queen to take on c5, but then we attack with bishop e3. But what if they go here? Yes, queen b6, that's the Dreyev defence. Plug the whole way to checkable with knight c3, and then look to play the short. But what if they go here? Stop that knight from advancing with c3, and then get your pieces developed and look for queen b3. But what if they go here? Well, to g6, I would start an attack on the queen side, begin with c4, and then get your queenside knight and bishop out. Should they defend our c4 attack on d5 with a bishop, then attack the bishop with c takes d5, and then again with knight c3. Now, my friends, I really should say, if they Caro, right, and they don't Kann, right, then play chess.